helping me to get to that 100 subscriber mark. So as promised, I will be showing you how to do the quick color change trick. So that was the way that it looked. So what you need for this trick are 2 cards, one blue card and one red card. So now the setup is just to have them both on top of each other. And then as you're holding these, I'd say to hold them from the sides, so that as you're doing it, it looks as though it's only one card. So now, you hold the card with 2 fingers, your middle finger and your thumb, and then as you're doing the trick, you go as if you're snapping your fingers, sliding the thumb up, and then catching the card with the index finger and tucking the other card behind. So this is the view from the front, this is the view from the side. I'm holding this card with the middle finger against my thumb, and then I'm using my fingertips, the tip of my pointer, and my thumb finger in order to hold that card like that. So again, you could do this with the face of the cards, and again, that's how it looks in slow motion. So the way that it is you go as if you're snapping your fingers, so sliding your middle finger down, catching the card, and then tucking that other card behind. So again, from the front it looks like that, side it looks like this. I'll do the whole thing from the side view, like that. So that's how quick it is. And the trick to this is really just to practice. So hold the 2 cards, practice just doing that, and doing that. And then at the end, the way to do this so that it is believable that you're doing this with the same card is, as you're going towards them, you want to bring the 2 cards together. So the cards were like this. This card is still right up against the edge of that. So then you want to bring the cards together like that, and then square them up. So that again, it looks as though it is only one card, and now the card is blue. So again, you're holding it with 2 fingers, then you're sliding it, catching the first card with the pointer finger, and then tucking that back card behind, and then sliding it like this so that it does seem as though it is one card. Here's a bonus trick. The person chooses a card, they look at it and memorize it, and now they put it right around the middle of the deck. So now I just close up the deck, and now I'm going to put the deck behind my back and flip over their 1 card. So put it behind my back, choosing 1 card, flipping it over, and now I'll go through the cards, and you can see their 1 card was flipped over. So now, this is a very easy trick, but it does look very good, and it does fool a lot of people. So the setup for this is you take your deck, take the bottom card, flip it over. It's as easy as that. And then they choose a card. After they've chosen their card, then all you need to do is take your hand and flip it over like this. And then you put their card back in. So now, when I do put it behind my back, all I'm doing is taking that top card and flipping it back over, and then flipping the whole deck over so that it's still face down. So then, going through the deck, their 1 card that they chose is face up while all the other cards are face down. This is a very easy trick. Again, the move is to have the bottom card flipped like that, and then after they've chosen their card and they're looking at their card, that's what they're focused on. So you can easily just flip the deck over like that, and then you should still be holding the deck like this. So then, again, putting it in, putting it behind your back, just flipping over the top card, and then flipping the whole deck over so that it still is face down, so that it doesn't look like you flipped the deck itself. So then, going through the deck, their card is face up.